Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Ford Fiesta's sync system? These are common issues, often stemming from software glitches, power supply problems, or component wear. First, attempt a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to power cycle the system and clear temporary bugs. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the entire ECU and infotainment module. Be aware that this will reset any saved settings. Check all relevant fuses under the hood and dashboard. A blown fuse could be the culprit behind the no sound issue. If the problem persists, it may require more in-depth diagnostics or component replacement. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the next step is updating the software through a Ford dealer or USB updater to fix known bugs. For faulty screens or audio, consider aftermarket replacements like Android-based head units, which provide modern features and cost between $200 and $500. Ford is moving towards over-the-air updates for newer vehicles, while older Fiesta models may need manual updates or hardware fixes. As models age, hardware support declines. If problems persist, consult a certified mechanic for further diagnosis. Keep in mind that users have sought legal action regarding sync issues, so Ford may offer extended support or recalls, depending on your model year and specific issue.